We're an old-fashioned diner. We've been around for 75 years. My grandfather took it over in 1942. He operated from 1942 to 1962. It was run by my dad's cousin for about 3 years, and then my dad took over in 1965. My wife, Wilma, and I took over the restaurant in 1997. We're the longest running restaurant in town, I guess run by the same family. We filled a niche. We're an old-fashioned diner. We've had good prices, good food, burgers and breakfast, French toast, hot cakes, like bacon and eggs, sandwiches. We have full meals like cutlets, fish, salads, steady clientele. We'll still run it for a few more years yet. My daughter will probably take it over in a couple of years. We'll work for her because she's actually a chef.